Welcome back to another video by NTA. Today we'll be reviewing the Tesla chart. Go ahead, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Would really appreciate it. If you're a perma bull, go ahead and comment Tesla 500. Perma bear, let's say 200. Say Tesla 200. Let's just dive into what I'm seeing. So currently, we've been trading in this structure for quite some time. Actually, pretty much since the beginning of the year. But we've also been trading within this smaller short-term structure. Not super significant if you ask me, but I think it is something to keep an eye out on, and it is what I'm going to be basing my next move on. And I'll show you where my line in the sand is, if I could find it. Right here, 355. Now, tomorrow, which is February 19th, if we manage to open above or break out of this level at 355, we would have broken this descending channel. Now, if we break out of this smaller short-term structure, descending channels are technically bullish because the idea is that you will eventually break out of them, maybe come back for a retest, and then continue to move higher. That's the idea of it. Bull flag is another way of looking at it. I mean, where this structure is currently located, it's not really much of a bull flag. If you're really thinking bull flag, you'd be looking at this bigger descending channel right here. Again, 355 is the main level I'm looking at. I want to see how price reacts around this level. If we manage to open above, I think we're going up tomorrow. Now just watch out at 2 p.m. Eastern. There is Fed FOMC, but I'd really like to see some kind of break above 355. Consolidation perhaps around this level and a move higher. I am short-term bullish. I would like to see a test of the top of this channel before any more move down. You know, these structures are just drawings at the end of the day. Price doesn't have to respect whatever lines you put on the chart. If we open up a smaller time frame, let's say the 5-minute time frame. Sorry, it's 3 minutes. Someone might argue a little bit of a head and shoulder action type going on. I'm not sure if I would lean into that too heavy. This is pretty small. This is, I mean, sure, it's over a couple days from the 13th to about the 18th is when we retested the lower bound of that neckline. I'm not gonna push the idea of this too much. I mean, it's also such a small range. We've been in this area of consolidation from 348 to, let's say, about 358, 360 since last week on Thursday. So I really wouldn't lean into that too much. I wouldn't bet your life savings on that potential structure playing out for a move lower. Well, that's going to wrap up the video. Again, 355 is the level to keep your eye on. See how price reacts, you know, near and around that area. 355 is just where I drew this line. It's really kind of more of a little region. Don't look at it as a hard line in the sand. If you see price wick off of it once, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to move higher or lower. So please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And that's it for Tesla.